Hello again. Well, let's see if we have already the latest updates on our future domain controller. We'll check for updates to see if we have the latest ones installed already. Okay, great. No updates are available. This means that we are on the latest builds. Okay, we will now disable the external network to avoid uh, making some issues with the network. Okay, we only have a private network. Let's define already an IP, static IP. Okay, here it is. Properties. I will use 192.168.10.1 for this machine without a gateway, and it will be its own DNS server. 192.168.10.1. Okay, close. Let's close all that we don't need. Now we're gonna add a new domain controller. Next, role-based or feature-based installation. It will be on this server. We will use Active Directory Domain Services. Next, this will be the features that will be installed. Next, now we will go to ADDS, and I will choose Restart the destination server automatically if required. Yes, and let's install this. This will take a bit. We will be back soon. Okay, it seems that we have already the role installed. Now let's promote this server to a domain controller here. We will add a new forest that will have the name Lync Lab, because this is a lab. Next. Okay. I forget to add a suffix. linkcloud.local. Next. We will leave this as default, and we will choose a password. This password is very important if we need to restore some settings in the Active Directory. We won't have any DNS delegation. We are now verifying the NetBIOS name associated. Well, it will be Lync Cloud. We'll leave it like this. In the path, we will leave as default. Okay. We'll choose review these options. Okay. Next, we are now verifying if we are able to promote this to domain controller. Okay, our prerequisites checks passed successfully. Click install to begin installation. This is what we are going to do, and this will take a bit, so we will be right back. Okay, we have now restarted this machine. Let's open Server Manager. Permissions are correct, they are given, so I only will need to have access to the requirements PC. Okay, it's opening, and we'll refresh, and we will see that we already have the Active Directory Domain Services installed. Okay, you will see it here on the left pane. Okay, here we are. Okay, now we have our Active Directory. Now we will need also a certification authority for Lync. So let's add it right now. Add roles and features. Next, a role-based. It will be on this machine or DC. Let's choose Active Directory Certificate Services. Next, we won't need any additional features. Now let's begin the configuration of our Active Directories. We will allow this to be via web. Next, and we will restart the server if needed. Yes. Install. Okay, this will take a while, so we will be right back. Okay, let's configure the Active Directory certificate services on this server. It will be this user that will be the manager of this. We'll configure certification authority. And also, okay. We will use an enterprise CA. A root CA. We will create a new private key. Let's leave it like default. And also this will be the default one, the name of the CA. As this is a lab, we don't need 5 years, so we will reduce this to 2 years. Leave this like default. Let's start this. Well, this configuration has been successful. Let's close this. No. And let's close this. Okay, in our domain controller for now, we don't need any more. So we will be producing some more videos with the Lync server. Well, see you.